Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we're back with another video for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This time it is a battery charge test. And as of course you guys know, there are many devices that charge really fast, but the Galaxy S20 Ultra comes with a 25-watt charger. Now, you can also charge it with a 45-watt charger. We'll be doing that in this video. We'll be comparing it to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is Samsung's last device that released a few months back, to see how it differs in terms of charging speeds and charging times. Yes, I know there are manufacturers that have charging at 30 minutes, but this is what Samsung has to offer. So let's take a look, starting off with the 25-watt charger. So we're starting off with the 25-watt chargers for both the S20 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because of course they do come with it in the box. Now the Ultra is on the left, the Note 10 Plus is on the right. We're gonna kick it off right here, and we'll see how long it takes. I'm guessing about an hour or so. Now we're gonna run through 5 minutes quickly and jump to 10, but you see the time for 5 minutes here. So at 10 minutes, the Note 10 Plus is ahead at 23%, the Ultra is at 20, and that gap is very similar at 5 minutes, which you can see here on screen. Now, just to remind you guys again, we have a 5,000 milliamp battery on the S20 Ultra and a 4,500 milliamp battery on the Note 10 Plus. So they're really big batteries in here, and we've seen faster charging from different competitors, but this is what Samsung is doing with this, and it's also one of their biggest batteries here. So we're going to go ahead and check at the 20-minute mark to see if that time difference is still, percentage difference is still there. 44% on the Note 10 Plus, 40% on the Ultra. So there is still a gap there, but things will change as we get to around the 30-40 minute mark. So the next check we are going to do here is roughly around 30 minutes or so. And at 32 minutes, it's 68% for the Note 10 Plus, 65% for the Ultra. So we do have that there. So it's closing up that gap. So what that tells me is very simple. Even though they have the same charger, the Note 10 Plus charges at a slower rate than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Which you see right here at the 40-minute mark is at 40 minutes here. The Note 10 Plus is at 79% and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is at 79%. So they actually match, which means the Ultra is charging at a faster rate using the same charger. It's a software thing, and I think Samsung will probably tweak that for the Note 10 Plus if they want to, but I don't think they will. So we're getting closer to another mark point here. It's 47 minutes. So the Ultra has passed at 90% and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is at 87%. So in just 7 minutes time, it's already passed through and it's moving much faster. And we're going to see how it actually does during this time period. You're going to see, of course, just, it's getting closer to 100, and see if we can actually charge this 5,000 milliamp battery in an hour, or maybe slightly more than an hour. So we're at the 1 hour mark, and at an hour and a minute, it's at 100%. The S20 Ultra is an hour and a full minute. So that is something to take note. That's actually quite interesting. And the Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes in at an hour and 12 minutes. So that was actually pretty good times, 1 hour and 1 minute for the 25-watt charger on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's see what the 45-watt charger will bring to the table, how much faster we will get there. So I have two 45-watt chargers. One is black, one is white. The white one will be used for the S20 Ultra on the left, and the black one used for the Note 10 Plus on the right. And we should definitely see more faster times here with both devices, I presume, although there might be something weird going on, who knows. Anyway, we're going to start off here, and we'll check at the 5-6 minute interval, and then we'll move to the 15, and we'll go 10 minutes each time after that. So we should see some really fast times for both devices. So starting off at around the 6 minute mark, again, 5,000 milliamp battery for the 20 Ultra, and 45 for the Note 10 Plus. 15% Note 10 Plus at 6 minutes, 15% for the Ultra at 6 minutes as well. Well, 15, 16, really close. So we're going to move over to our 15 minute mark. Now, it's interesting to see how fast these devices have will charge, especially with the 45-watt charger, just because as we quickly check at 15, we have 34% and we have also 36% on the Ultra. So the Ultra has caught up and passed by 2% or maybe 1, 2, yeah. And we are going to see some more interesting times as we move on. So that was 15 minutes. We're going to do a 20-minute check here for you guys. And at 20 minutes, the Note 10 Plus is at 49% and the Ultra is at 51%. So now there is a 3%, actually a 2% gap here. So that's it's slowly building up and it's slowly moving to more high extents. And I expect the Ultra to charge faster. First of all, the name is Ultra, and second, I think Samsung doesn't want to let you spend too much time charging the 5,000 milliamp battery, so it makes a lot of sense to speed up the charge times for this device as opposed to what we have with the Note 10 Plus. So the 30-minute mark here, we see the Note 10 Plus at 65% and the Ultra is at 71%. So now we have a good 6% jump between both devices. Now we're going to go ahead and check at the 40-minute mark and we'll see what we have in terms of charge times, but you can clearly see here that the Ultra is charging faster. 40%, Note 10 Plus 79%, and the Ultra is at 87%. So the Ultra has a faster charging time, which is built into the device. And you can see as we just quickly check in here, our next big check will be at 50, because I've heard from friends that 58 minutes is when it fully charges for the Ultra. So at 50 minutes here, we have the Note 10 Plus at 87% and the Ultra at 95%. So it's almost there, and it looks like we probably will hit that 58-minute mark from things that we can clearly see. It's interesting to see how fast this device charges. 58 minutes, you can see 99% for the Ultra and 91% for the Note 10 Plus, and we're getting really close. We should hit it at 58 minutes and 26 seconds. So the Ultra is at 100% then, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus does it at an hour 14 minutes. So as you can see overall, guys, the 45-watt charger is faster, but I would say the increase in charge time is not, or decrease in charge time is not as much as I would like. Yes, your Galaxy S20 Ultra charges in about 58 minutes compared to 61 minutes. So give or take there, you're only looking at a very small difference there. So roughly about 3 minutes different, which isn't really saying much. So I would say stick to your 25-watt charger. If you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.